Tēnā koutou. Tēnei tāku wero tokurua I te kihini, wharekai, taku wharekai. And e konei, I'm going to make a smoothie. I've got some apple in there, some banana, and some yogurt, and got some avocado to put in, and some new coconut water, new, and some orange juice. I usually like oranges, but I haven't got any, so orange juice. And I make a yummy smoothie for my afternoon tea. In my magic bullet. For my whakatauki, here I've got a beautiful handmade gift, leather gift, with a puka puka ke roto, te puka puka whakatauki, with a lovely selection of whakatauki inside. See, whakatauki inside, handwritten by my beautiful friend. And one of them is about food. Te toto o te tangata he kai. Te oranga o te tangata he whenua. Food supplies the blow of man. His welfare depends on the land. So we put the food in and it strings up our tinana, but our welfare, we need the land and we need it in good condition. We have to take care of the land, so kaitiaki with the whenua, all of us. And I don't have a waiata. Got two pussycats down here wanting to be fed. For my waiata, I don't have one about food, I'm sorry. But on this program that we're all trying to learn te reo, improve our te reo, support each other in our journey with te reo, I have a little waiata, but it's in English, and it's just about supporting each other, and it's called I Think You're Wonderful. I think you're wonderful when somebody says that to me. I feel wonderful, as wonderful can be. It makes me want to say the same thing to somebody new. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. If we practice this phrase in the most honest way, find something special in someone each day, we'll lift up the world one heart at a time. It all starts by saying just one simple line. I think you're wonderful when somebody says that to me. I feel wonderful, as wonderful can be. It makes me want to say same thing to somebody new. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. The acoustics are better in the wharepaku. Tēnā koutou katoa.